Amino acid in medicines. A drug of hepatamine. No, it's a virtuous drug of hepatamine. Let's go! The purpose of this video is to explore people about the hepatamine so they can use it in a correct way. What is hepatamine? Well, let me explain. Hepatamine basically a 8% of amino acid injection which sterilizes non-pathogenic hepatic solution containing amino acid and the function in treatment of hepatic encephalopathy in patients with cirrhosis and hepatitis. How about amino acids? Amino acid is a building block of protein, structural and functional properties in our body. The functional group of amino acid is carboxyl group, COOH, and amino acid group NH2. And amino acid have 20 natural amino acids to make up proteins. The main function of amino acid is to transport oxygen, different mechanism, and finally catalyze the enzyme.
Have you ever wondered what are the uses, functions, and benefits of hepatamine? And now we will start with uses of hepatamine. Hepatamine is used to give nutrition to the body. Next, we will look at functions of hepatamine. Hepatamine or amino acid is indicated for the treatment of hepatic encephalopathy. Hepatic encephalopathy is a spectrum of neuropsychiatric abnormalities in patients with liver dysfunction after exclusion of brain disease or patients with cirrhosis and hepatitis. Hepatamine provides nutritional support for patients with liver disease who require parenteral nutrition. Patients with hepatic disease are intolerant of general-purpose amino acid injections, which are contraindicated in patients with hepatic coma. Next, we will continue with benefit of hepatamine. Hepatamine is given as an infusion into a vein over a period of time.
Reaction of amino acid. Amino acid will react with hydrochloric acid, nitrous acid, sodium hydroxide, and alcohol. Now we will take a look on the procedure to prepare hepatamine. Firstly, hepatamine that consists of 8% amino acid injection is supplied sterile and non-pyrogenic in glass container with solid stoppers package 6 per case. Next, we should minimize the exposure of pharmaceutical products to heat. Lastly, we need to avoid excessive heat, protect it from freezing, and store the product at room temperature. Reaction of amino acid. Reaction with alcohol. It will form ester and water. Reaction with nitrous acid. It will form diazonium salt as intermediate and then it will decompose to nitrogen gas and carbocation. Lastly, it will form alkenes. Amino acid also react with sodium hydroxide. It will form salt and water. Reaction with acid. Amino acid also will react hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid and it will form salt.
Safety is important when you are taking medication. If you have to use hepatamine, here are some medication guides that may help you. First, before you take hepatamine, tell your doctor or pharmacist about your health problems. Inform them if you have any allergy or liver and kidney disease. This is to ensure that it is safe for you to take hepatamine. Second, the best way to take hepatamine is as advised by your doctor. Read all the information given and follow the instruction closely. If you miss any hepatamine dose, call your doctor to find out what to do. Third, if you have some bad side effects when taking hepatamine, immediately call doctor or get medical help. Lastly, consumer information. Call doctor if any symptoms become worse. Keep all the drugs out of the reach of children and pets. Throw away unused and expired drugs. And the most important is, if you think there has been an overdose, get medical care right away.
In conclusion, we have learned about hepatamine, which are the background info of hepatamine, the function of hepatamine, and we also learned about the mechanism of amino acids, and finally the indication of hepatamine. Before we end our presentation today, we would like to advise to all people out there because hepatamine is so addictive. So please consult a doctor before you take it to avoid an overdosage because it can lead you to chest pain, coughing in blood, and finally sweating a lot. I think that's all from us. Bye!